It will not be asked. Only these movements. Shoulder, there are 6 movements. Elbow, 2 movements. Here also, there are 4 movements. Hip, 6 movements. Knee, 2 movements. Ankle, another 2 movements. These movements only asked to perform concentric, eccentric movements. Okay? Now, finally, today, going to see difference between isotonic and isokinetic. Isotonic and isokinetic difference. Okay. What are the difference between isotonic and isokinetic? So,
Isotonic.
Wait. Huh? How much time you pray? All are okay. Okay, you go and pray. Still pray for us. For everybody you pray, still pray. Go. You pray and come. I will give attendance also. You go and pray and come. No problem. Master this thing. You go. You know, this you have to. You know. Okay, you tell me.
شوف الجمال هذا، لا إله إلا الله، سبحان من خلق وبدع. سبحان من خلقته. سبحان من خلقه. بس ابعد جوا شوي خلني ألقطك. سبحان.
See, listen. Exam, no. During practical exam, when you perform, then only marks. If you not perform, no marks. Okay. Right?
هذا الموديل حقنا.
Okay, listen here, right? Isotonic and isokinetic exercise. First, let me tell you, isotonic exercise. See here. Now, there is a movement, concentric movement, eccentric movement. Clear?
Yes.
Right. Now, isotonic exercise. See here. I can do slowly, right? I can do still slowly. Very slow, right? I can do very fast. I can do little fast. I can do slow. I can do still slow. Immediately I can do fast. I can so speed of the movement is changing. Understand?
Yes.
Speed of the movement is changing, but the weight is same. Correct? This same weight, no? Yes. Is increasing or decreasing? No. It is not increasing or decreasing. Correct? This is isotonic exercise. So same resistance, but the velocity of the movement is altering. That means speed of the movement is changing. Understand? Yes. But resistance is same. But isokinetic exercise, the velocity of the movement or speed of the movement is same. Resistance will change. Resistance change. Opposite. Understand? Yes. So I will ask you to perform, or I will ask you during the exam, please tell what is the difference between isotonic and isokinetic also. Clear? Any doubt? So with the dumbbells, if I do exercise, I can change the speed, okay? I can change slow, fast, any speed I can do. So changing the speed, velocity, but resistance is same full time. If I do 15 minutes exercise, like this 15 minutes, full time, this resistance is same, but I can change the speed. But isokinetic exercise, right? We need special machine. To do isokinetic, we need special machine. The machine is called isokinetic dynamometer. The machine is called isokinetic dynamometer. The machine, like we have to sit like this in the machine. Machine has a chair, like that chair. Okay? So therapist what will do for upper limb, the hand fixed on the machine. For lower limb, again the limb will fixed on the machine. Right? Limb fixed on the machine. Sabab, why late? Why? What he told? Come time, Sabab. Huh? No, I'm talking to you only. If you come late, what is this? Come inside, come. Come time, okay. All are there now. Why can't you come time? You two are always making fun. Huh? Both of you. Not serious. Not coming to class serious. Sitting there, mobile, fun, joking. Huh? Be serious, both of you. Okay? You also. Be serious. Come inside. Medicinal don't take.
No.
Stop. Don't take everything. Okay. Super. Nice. Good idea. Okay. Nice. Okay. See, machine require, like this machine. For lower limb, the limb will be attached with the machine. So machine will do the movement. Okay. Movement is fixed like this. 80 degree per second, 90 degree per second, 100 degree per second. That means 100 degree means movement will go fast. Like this fast. 20 degree per second means limb will go very slow. Very slow. So machine will do the movement, but what the patient is doing now up. If patient is doing very nicely, high, but machine also will resist more. Understand? Right? How much force is produced by the muscle, that much resistance given by the machine. Understand? See, when I am doing like this up, okay, doing up, my muscle is very good, right? So my muscle will produce more force. So resistance also given by the machine also high. Patient is weak. A patient is weak, sitting on the machine. Patient muscles are weak, doing very less force produced less, low force. So machine also decrease its resistance. See here difference. But if you use dumbbell if you use, you can also change. I am good. Give big dumbbell. He is weak patient. Give less dumbbell.
Yes.
Both are resisted exercise, no?
Yes.
Both. But why we require that machine to do isokinetic exercise called isokinetic dynamometer? Why we want? That machine is very costly. Isokinetic dynamometer machine is very costly. But why we want that exercise? Any idea? Any answer? Sir, we have dumbbells, no? Right? Use with dumbbells, very less price. The cost of the dumbbell is very less. Maybe 20 riyals. Over, no? Why we have to purchase 5,000, 10,000 riyals, that machine? Why to purchase? Same resistance exercise only. Both, that machine also will give resistance exercise. Dumbbells also will give resistance exercise. Why we have to buy that machine? Why can't we use this dumbbell to do that exercise? Any answer for you? From you? Any answer?
Many size in machine. Many degree. Can reach many degree for what we need about our machine.
Many degree means, yes, we can fix the degrees. That is speed, we can fix it. Here also we can tell the patient, no, please do slowly. We can tell. Or we can tell the patient, do fast. Patient will do, no. Then why you want machine? Any idea? My question you understood? There is a simple item. This item will help to do resistance exercise. The another machine, costly machine, that costly machine also will help to resisted exercise. But why that exercise is better? Still, that machine exercise is better than this exercise.
Quality.
Mafi quality. Any another one? That is okay. That is a fundamental. That is the fundamental principle. Maintaining the speed only. But other than that, you know, have you studied inner range, middle range, outer range? Have you studied that? Inner range of the movement, middle range of the movement, outer range of the movement? This, see here, from elbow extension now to elbow flexion, okay?
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
In this, did you study inner range, middle range, outer range, anything? Have you studied?
No.
Oh. If you studied, then very easy to understand. If you studied, then have you studied?